episode 18 of J&N.
Today we will cover
The spring play,
the band concert,
and the spring Pep Assembly.
I'm Hadley.
And I'm Anna.
And this is J&N, a show with interesting topics
and even more interesting people.
How did the play go? Well, it was amazing. The kids did a great job performing. They executed everything really well, worked really hard, and it all came together very well with backdrop, painting, props, costuming. And so I was very proud of our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. The rehearsals were hard to get down and pinpoint because we had a week of snow days. We had just some fun experiences happening throughout, but we were able to meet with everybody and everything went fairly smoothly other than those couple of things to get our practices down and going and get our lines memorized, which is always very hard to do. Well, we had a lot of really cool things happening. So Eva Powers, my theater debate class, were able to really create some cool props, painted the whole backdrop, which was beautiful. Very proud of them for that. Chance Schneider put together a lot of really great costuming. So not just the acting, which was really great, and kids getting a lot of lines together because it was a long show. They were also able to do some extra things and put together and get really creative with some of those extra pieces that really make a show shine.
Well, that was awesome.
Yeah, I think it should be the next one. I have major acting skills.
Oh yeah, you sure do.
Nah, I was just kidding.
Anyways, let's check out the band concert.
Band recently had their fundraising concert.
I think the band concert went really great. Everyone was on time, looking good in their concert black. Everyone sat and was a really great audience when other people were playing. They played really well when it was their turn. Their parents were so excited and proud of them. Everything was great. My favorite song that the band played was Great Locomotive Chase because like I told the band kids and their parents at the concert, I remember playing that one when I was in school and thinking that it was really awesome. The band got to sound like a train, there was a train whistle, they got to do sound effects, and they played really, really well. It was just so fun, and their parents clapped so much after it was over, so clearly they loved it too.
We were really happy with how well the band concert went last week. All 3 bands from the middle school played awesome. I will give the same answer as Miss Mudge and Miss Size with 8th grade band and their version of Great Locomotive Chase.
For J&N, I'm Annabelle Combs.
Well, it sure looks like everyone had lots of fun.
They've put in a lot of work to sound that good.
You know what else is fun?
What?
The spring Pep Assembly.
yeah, that was my favorite Pep Assembly.
Mine too.
Anyways, this episode is about to come to an end.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Put cash down.